Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us online on PS4. First, make sure your PlayStation 4 console has a stable internet connection. Next, head over to the PlayStation Store and download Among Us. It's available for a small, one-time purchase. Once downloaded, launch the game and accept the user agreement. Finally, you will need to create a new in-game account or simply log in if you already have one from another platform. This quick setup gets you ready to join the fun. After setting up, you'll see the main menu. Select the online option to dive into multiplayer. You can choose Find Game to quickly join a public match with up to 15 random players from around the world. If you want to play with friends, simply enter a private code they provide. Alternatively, you can host your own game, allowing you to customize settings like player speed, number of imposters, and task count before inviting your crewmates to join. Once in a game, you'll be assigned one of two roles, crewmate or imposter. As a crewmate, your goal is to complete various tasks across the map and identify the imposters. Imposters, on the other hand, must sabotage the ship and eliminate crewmates without revealing their identity. When a body is reported or an emergency meeting is called, use the in-game chat to discuss your suspicions and vote for who you believe is the imposter. Clear communication is key to victory. To truly master Among Us, observe everything. As a crewmate, watch for suspicious activity like players faking tasks or moving unusually. Completing your tasks is crucial for a crewmate victory, so prioritize them. If you're an imposter, learn to blend in, pretend to do tasks, and execute your sabotages strategically. Practice your deduction skills to identify the imposters and hone your deception skills when you are one. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the social deduction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.